Hello everybody, Dr. Matthew Katuna here, dentist who uses loupes every day and with the Loupe light. Now I'm going to show you a couple things here. My Loupe light has begun to give out, barely holds a charge for 30 minutes, which is a problem when seeing patients. So I'll just kind of show you what I did to fix my Loupe light. Now others on the market probably use the same equipment on the inside. So this will save you about 200 bucks, 150, 200 for either a new light or for repair. I'll just kind of show you what to look for. So on the front end here, you'll notice 4 batteries. Don't really need to undo this end. I did just I didn't know what I was doing, but this is where the lights connect into there. And obviously on off button, but it's this interface that really matters. This is the one you'll take off, and that's where the charge and everything is. So when you take a look and you take out the battery, you'll notice it's a Tenergy battery, 7.2 volt, 2600 milliamp, 18.72 watts there. Now, what I realize is they don't really sell this anymore. The closest I could find was this. It is a 7.4 volt, 18650 with 2600 milliamps. So it's close, but it's not identical, and I was worried it might not work, but it does work. So the wires that come out of here connect there, so I just snipped those off and kind of opened up the ends here. So let me go ahead and connect these again so that we can show you how this does in fact work. So you can get the Tenergy battery for about $25, I believe. Much better than spending 200 bucks plus shipping to get these fixed, or 150, or just buying a new set for like 500 or whatever it is. So these are connected here. Now what I'm gonna do is fairly simple. I snip both ends with this guy, kind of opened up the casing so I can get the wire exposed here. Now I'm gonna eventually tie everything down with electrical tape, but that's just to show you how everything works. So I can plug this in here. This is the new battery again, and all of a sudden the light works. So you really just need this new battery from Tenergy. It'll then hold a charge, and I can charge it back up since it is a rechargeable battery. So just saved you about 200 bucks, if not more. And just a quick update to show that the screws are back in and the light indeed works. So great success. I'm excited to use this tomorrow. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks guys.